welcome to this brand new e-commerce tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up your very own web shop in just minutes in WordPress, in less than 15 minutes. So you don't need to be a developer to start your very own web shop. So I'm gonna explain you into the tutorial. People, now the first thing that we're gonna do is get hosting and domain. We're gonna do that at cloudways.com. Links in the description. You can start for free, so you don't have to enter any credit card information to start. So this is an amazing opportunity for you to start for free, because all the other web hosting companies are asking money to start. But with this hosting company, you can start completely for free. So right over here, you can use the promo code Jared and continue. So you will get a discount on your hosting if you buy it, but you don't need to buy it in the beginning. So it will give you a trial. So right over here, we are going to sign in. We are loading to the control panel. Right over here, I've already set up a server for WordPress. I'm going to delete this first. So delete. I want to delete this, I know it for sure. Type delete. Okay, so right over here, we got our online store. And I will click on add the server. So these are all hosting providers where you can install WordPress on. Depends on your business. So if you have WordPress, you want to install WordPress, just select the WordPress right over there. And when we continue, I click there on version 6.2.2. Give it a name, your store. I call it DSEF, like diesel, but on DSEF. Okay, right over here, your project. And select the bandwidth. So I'm going to select 4 gig because that is good for a WordPress website and not less or not more. Depends on your clients, so on your visitors, sorry. Right over here, we are creating the server, so I'm going to pause this and come back. Now we're going to teach you how you change your password because we need to log in to the WordPress website. Right over here, I go back. Switch to applications, where your WordPress store is located. And right over here, you have the store. So I'm going to reset the password here. And I skipped the video, so you can reset your password right over there. Now I go to the dashboard. Type admin or wp-admin. Okay, so I logged into WordPress right now. So we're going to create our Woocommerce site. So I'm going to add a plugin. And right over there, we are going to install Woocommerce, the plugin that we need to start our online store. So I'm going to click on activate. I've already installed it. You will go through your setup like this. So I'm going to search it to start with Woocommerce. Right over here, appearance, themes, and add new. Right over here, I search for the theme. I search for Ecommerce theme. So this one is looking nice. These are all free themes. You can choose to start with a free theme. I'm always going to teach you how to create your on the install button and the activate button, and your theme is activated. We already got our theme set up with the hosting, the extra theme. Here we're going to use template kits. Template kits are just layouts that are already developed. You don't have to do a lot of things on it. So right over here, I click on the starter templates Elementor for Elementor. So right over here, I'm going to click on activate. And once it's activated, we get a lot of templates to choose from. Templates are designs for your website. Right over here, I click on Elementor Page Builder. Elementor is already implemented in this installation, just like the Astra theme. So right over here, you can install a theme. Just click on the layout and wait until it's loaded. It took a while, for a few seconds. Okay, right over here, we're gonna customize this theme a little bit because we want to look our store, make it beautiful. So right over here, okay, so I will see you in the next lecture. Now we are installing the template, the theme. Right over here, you're gonna enter your username and submit and build my website. Okay, let's take an overview of the website. What we got right now, our results. If you want to customize your website, just keep watching and subscribe. Right over here, we are going to see the website that we got at this moment. So the payments are already activated into Woocommerce installation, what we already did. So you don't have to implement payment gateways. Right over here, I'm gonna visit the website, and there it is. So this is looking very professional, and you only have, it's only for free. So you can start for free if you want. Just sign up for the hosting plan, and you will succeed. So you can always try to build this, and if you don't like it, you can stop. So yeah, it's the first hosting provider that provides a trial for you. I'm going to customize the website a little bit with Elementor. But over here, I'm going to continue. Is just all with drag and drop. If you want a premium version of Elementor, links in the description. And right over here, I'm called DSAP Store, because that's a cool name in my opinion. And I will just adjust this with drag and drop. So right over here, or you can type something directly into the website. You don't need any coding knowledge. And when we continue, we just adjust it. And I'm gonna also show you how to change the images, how you create your product images, and how you change them. So right over here, I will also learn you a little bit about SEO, 1 minute. And these are our products right now. So I will show you soon how to change this. Change your products right over there. And you can choose another heading and another settings like this. You can change the image of this. And you can just adjust the footer with drag and drop. Just selecting layouts and blocks. So right over here, click on update. And we are finished with editing right now. I'm going to show you soon how you can do more options and how we go live. So we are nearly done with the settings, with the customization. You can just adjust everything with the Elementor page builder, just your logo, your site title, your footer, etc. I want to explain you SEO for your website, for your web shop. So right over here, we got Yoast SEO. That's the plugin that you need for how can you say that, for your marketing. So you don't have to do any marketing. Yeah, you can do marketing, but this is just explained how you adjust this. So right over here, you successfully installed Yoast SEO. So I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna show you how you change your description for your website, and you can do this for all products. So right over here, I will click on next. Next. And we are nearly there. Right over here, we have our Yoast SEO plugin. And I'm going to upload the logo and select it. So right over here, we again change the logo. Right over here, I'm going to show you how you do SEO for your product. And you can do this for all your products. Right over here, all products, and edit. And right over here, I will edit. And right over here, you can do your SEO. So right over here, this is the product description. I go to the SEO tab with Yoast SEO. These are the keywords where you can focus on. And right over here, this is how it shows in Google in your search engine. So you can do this for all projects and adjust them for the store. And right over here, you got shoes. And right over here, you can choose the slug, new shoes. Meta description, your description, how it shows up in Google. And we are nearly done with the SEO of this product. You can duplicate this with the plugin. Duplicate post product plugin. And right over here, we are writing this. Okay, so we have successfully adjusted the SEO for our website, for our product, sorry. So I'm going to click on the blue update button and change this name to new images. In this section, I will show you how to change the images of your products in Woocommerce. So right over here, click on edit. I navigated at all products. And right over here, we have the shoes. And right over there, you can click the images. We are going to change them. You see right over here are the shoes. And we want to change it to someone else. You can upload your things in the media library in the dashboard. And right over here, we're gonna do our product images. So this is looking really professional for your web shop. So when I go back, I go back again to my dashboard, to the dashboard, and we will see. So go to products, categories, or all products, and we want to change the shoes, for example. So right over here, I'm back, click on edit, new shoes, edit with Elementor. You can edit also with Elementor, but here are the shoes images. Remove this product image, and then you can select other images right over there. For example, you want to select sweaters or something else, or anything you upload to the media gallery. So I want to use this sweater. I'm going to click on the product image, add gallery, and again. So we added just product images. And right over here we got this, and this other image. To the front of the page. In this quick video, I will show you how you speed up your WordPress website. Right over here, we installed the plugin Breeze. Right over here, you can speed up your website in just minutes. It's chasing all the files, so it deletes the files that you don't need. So right over here, you have the preload, and you can enter your URL right over there, and like the basic options. Just select Breeze and purge all chase, and then you are done. So that's great. So right over here, I'm gonna add another plugin because we are jumping to the next section, and I'm going to show you how you get protected from DDoSing and attacks for your website. So you need Cloudflare for that, Cloudflare. So right over here, I'm going to search for it, and I'm going to install the plugin. So it got a lot of installs, and this will protect you from DDoSing. If you don't know what DDoSing is, people will visit your website with like 1,000 computers, and your website will go offline. So with Cloudflare, you won't have this, so you will be protected in any case. So I'm going to analyze this and run a speed test. It will see that it's super fast, so super fast and more faster than every other hosting provider in this case. So right over here, we got a super fast response from the site, so it will be okay. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and sign up for Cloudways because it's a really powerful hosting provider, and I will see you in my other videos.